What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Now let's talk about XRP really quick because I got a couple of comments. A lot of my content that I create comes from the comment section. Whether it's good comments or bad comments, I take all of them in and I hear people out. I've been able to have a ton of success within the crypto market as well as a ton of success within the stock market and investing in general. I've been investing for a very, very long time. I don't have to really preach my resume right now, but I wanted to kind of preface with that because comment may not be the best, but also they may not understand, because some people that get into the investing space that really don't understand these things, they question absolutely everything. And it's okay. You have to question things. Questioning things is great, but sometimes questioning too many things or questioning the same thing hundreds of times may lead to you missing out on opportunities, which is what happens with people that questioned whether Bitcoin was even going to be a thing, whether crypto is going to be a thing, whether Tesla is going to be as valuable as it is, or Google is going to be a thing, or Amazon, and all these people that I've basically ran into and said, hey, what are you investing into? And they said, I wish I would have gotten into Amazon. I wish I would have gotten into this. It's like shoulda, coulda, wouldas. Okay, everybody wishes that they would have gotten into that play. But you know what? You learn from that situation and you make a change. That's the best thing you could do. So what am I talking about here today? Well, I'm talking about the Fed buyback. 18K buyback. I made a video recently about this, and it got about 11 to 12,000 views, which in a down market is amazing to be able to see that many views. And it's because it has something that's very important, right? The Fed would look to buy back XRP. And that's what's said, right? I'm just going through what the articles say, what the information says behind it, what I read into it, and it looks legit. And as people don't understand that, I've seen so many people that have asked the same question. Why wouldn't they just buy it right now? And I put out a tweet earlier today saying that the Fed doesn't want Ripple to burn their overall, escrow that they have. What they want is for them to give it to them or confiscate it and be able to have the dilution or have the dilution in the palm of their hands so that they can physically dilute it. They can own a certain amount and be able to profit off of the entire thing, which would be amazing if they didn't have to buy it back. Now, it would still increase the value of it, but the Fed buyback could happen. And I don't think Ripple is going to be forced to give up their escrow. And that's why I think that the buyback will happen. Now, if they do choose to do anything, they're not going to give it to the Fed. They're going to burn it if need be, which would still basically put the Fed in a spot to where they have to either purchase a hell of a lot right now or purchase a hell of a lot later when things actually do get fully established. So let's understand this process of the Fed buyback in different steps. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter at Perry8K. And don't forget, if you guys want to start trading XRP, I have a link for MargX where you can trade on leverage if you want to. You can trade with 5x leverage. So basically you put $100, you can be traded with $500, 400 that's not yours, and 100 that is yours if you feel confident in XRP or you feel confident in a lot of other plays. But I received a comment here. From this person, Truth Seeker. It makes no sense. If they had a plan to utilize XRP, why not buying what available now in the market for a fair price of 50 cents in the market value, so they don't have to buy it back from you hodlers for a hectic price like of 18K later. This means that there's no plan for XRP at all. And you don't think the government / Federal Reserve have long-term visions to plan ahead. Why would they wait for a herd like you and me to buy it then? They would buy it back from you for about 30,000 times more expensive. They are the predators. We are the sheep, not the other way around. You don't know how you got 208K subs, and aren't you tired to try and come up with new content for XRP every day? And it does not favor you at all. So first of all, I got 208K subs from various amounts of hard work. Just to let you know, it's very difficult to do so over a matter of 4 or 5 years at this point on YouTube, talking about a lot of different things, just to let you know. Not only XRP, but a lot of other plays that I have found ways to make money or be able to benefit my life and a lot of other people's lives. I know from testimonials and a lot of people that talk to me. So I don't know, maybe you're brand new, you're not a subscriber, so I understand. But the point is that we need to understand why they wouldn't decide to buy it right now. Do you realize that Ripple holds majority of the escrow with them? If they decided to buy it all up right now as much as they possibly can and buy up the entire price, that would mean that they are buying at what would be the higher points, and they're trying to hold at these higher points to have a bunch of retail traders to make a ton of money off of their buying. If they decided to do that, let's say they decided to buy as much as physically possible, as much as available they would buy. What would that do to the price if they decided to do that? Skyrocket it, right? Meaning that retail traders now have the fuel to sell off whatever they want to sell with all of their gains. Now, are retail traders going to sell everything? Probably not. But what they would do is sell definitely out from underneath them, and the Fed is not like that. The Fed, big banks, smart money don't do that. They don't buy up everything so everybody else has exit liquidity. It doesn't make sense for them to do. Now, what they would do is wait for the outcome of this case from Ripple, because Ripple holds 46 billion coins that they could potentially confiscate in a way or be given as they are, or basically pay pennies on the dollar if they could do that. However, I am 1,000% sure that Ripple will never do that to offer it to them. What they would do, if need be, is to burn the supply, which would create more of a benefit for the retail traders that are already holding it. Meaning that when they decide to buy back, you decrease that supply. If they decrease the entire supply by burning it, XRP skyrockets just from that. And then you see the solution to the overall case. XRP also skyrockets from that. Now you see regulatory clarity and, clarity by law. Like, you're looking at a lot of an increase just based on that. Then you see the 70 plus countries that are involved with Ripple in a partnership and have XRP in the background ready to be used, and the partnership with banks. There's so many different things that could be a form of huge positive that we know they will not buy it up right now, because if they do, we will benefit, and they don't want us to benefit. That's why you say that we are the sheep. They want us to be the sheep, but there's no scenario to where they can win. And that's why they're trying to basically push this thing down and say that the Fed won't buy it back. XRP is the best option to go about, using for cross-border payments, using for transactions, using throughout banks. It's the best option that we have. The next best option that they're trying to push is Solana, right? Where they're trying to own as much as they can. If you notice the amount of, institutionally held Solana positions, it's large, because they want Solana to be that next play, because XRP is like a lose-lose situation for them. So this is why it makes sense that this can get to $18,000 worth of a price, even though it would be a ridiculous market cap, absolutely ridiculous. But if the Fed is forced to buy it up as the only option, because Ripple is partnered with so many different banks, so many different countries, for many different transactions, many different things that we would use XRP for, it's a no-brainer that XRP will get to this point. However, a lot of people don't see this. So the reason why I believe in this is because of all of these things, all of the above. And the reason why I'm at 208 subscribers is because I can answer questions like these without even going in and having to cut my videos left and right. I don't have to do that, because I'm confident in what I am saying. I'm confident in the things that I'm expressing. That's the reason why I have 208,000 subscribers. That's the reason why I could put out these videos. And maybe they don't make sense to you. I understand why they don't make sense to you. I mean, you just don't want to see the vision. Most people don't want to see the vision. The people that don't see the vision are the people that are left behind. So I'll put it that way. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to start trading on Margex, feel free to trade on Margex. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.